Hi guys, I am Jenny. In this video, we are going to talk about long and short position. So without wasting time, let's start. What is long position? Long position simply means buy at low price and sell at high price. Like I buy an asset at a price of $100 and sell it at $130. I simply make $30 profit. Now let's move to short position. Short position simply means sell at high price and buy at low price. But it's difficult to understand by some people. They think, how can we take profit by selling? So let's discuss it in detail. First of all, remember that short position only open in future or margin trading, because short position can open by taking leverage, means borrow an asset. For example, an asset is currently at price of $100. With the help of my analysis, I predicted that price of this asset is dropped to $70 within 1 hour. So I borrow an asset from exchange and sell it at current price of $100. When price drops to $70, I buy that asset and return it to exchange. Now please focus. When I borrow and sell an asset, its price is $100, means I got $100 in my wallet from selling that asset, which I just borrowed. Now when price drops to $70, I buy that asset and return it to its owner. From $100 in my wallet, I buy the asset at $70 and return it. Means I still got $30 in my wallet, and that $30 is my profit. If you still don't understand how this works, watch this video again. Hope you guys enjoy the video. So don't forget to subscribe this channel. Like and share this video with your friends. See you next video.